In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the touchscreen on from 2011 to 2019 most Ford vehicles.
It's for the Ford Sync 3.
Ford Sync 3, cool.
First, you want to remove
2 screws right there, and 2 more, another 2, and another 2. It all adds up to 8 screws. And you simply remove that plate, then you simply pop it open. Simply.
Simply, what happened here?
No, these screws are.
No, had some sticky stuff.
Okay. I thought it was screws. All right, now we're gonna remove the
ribbon cable.
Ribbon cable, yes.
When you put it back on, it has this line right here, and most of them you can just make sure you line them up, because if you don't, it's no good.
Yes. So there's 2 ribbons, one for the touchscreen and one for the LCD. Now you need a sharp blade for this, okay? Don't use a kitchen knife or anything like that, or a screwdriver. Just gently go underneath the screen and whoop, there it is.
Sometimes people bend these. When you punch them, you can bend them back. So when you put the touchscreen on, it's not going to be so it has a flat surface to go back onto.
Got it. Okay, now you got to remove the tape, because if you don't, then you're going to have uneven surface when you put the new screen back on. New touch screen. So you have to gently, carefully, with your brand new razor blade, make sure you don't scratch your LCD. Just be patient and it'll come off.
It's not too hard.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just as long as you get most of it off.
And if you don't have double-sided tape, or double-sided tape didn't come with it, you can take this off, and there's still little sticky stuff on there. If you remove it,
yeah,
it'll be alright. There's always a way.
Yeah, make sure you don't use super glue, like we said before in other videos. No, don't use any kind of liquid glue.
So I'm guessing you use super glue.
Yes. So yeah, and also you have to make sure after you remove all that, clean the screen, and make sure you work in an area where there's no lint, dust, or anything, because you don't want to keep going back and forth on the LCD with any kind of dust or.
The touch screens we use are custom made. They're not factory, they're custom made, and I think they're better than the originals.
Yes, they are.
Just want to remove this.
Yes, make sure you remove both films from both sides, but definitely the inside one. And you just slap it on there, just like that. It's perfect.
Make sure it's on there nice and straight.
Yes.
This has a piece of film on here too, so
yeah.
But you can leave it on if you want until later. It's up to you.
Now we go put this back in.
Make sure the ribbon cables are going to be straight. If they're not straight, it will not work.
Yes, and be patient with it, because you know sometimes I know people get frustrated and they break stuff. So just be patient and it will pop back in the same way. Pull it out.
There we go.
There you go. Simple.
Pretty easy, pretty easy. And put the cover back on. This is the right one. There we go. Oh wait, wrong way. I think this is the wrong cover.
This is not all the way in. It's not all the way down.
Oh yeah. We gotta put screws on
And if
still.
you misalign it, make sure you pull it back out. Don't try to force it in, okay? Everything has a way. So by forcing it, you will break it and destroy it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for watching our video. All the info will be on the bottom of the screen. CNH car stereo, and
It'll show you what cars they go to.
yes, what year, make, and model. And we appreciate you watching our video.
Any other questions, you can send a message. Thanks.
Thank you.